How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a little road trip and check out my brother's new place. I'll keep this intro nice and short. We're going to be firing up the old Dakota and headed out to his new place, and we'll just give you a big tour and show you around. It's been a while since we did an update with him and his vehicles, so I'm just going to stop the talking, jump in the truck here, and hit the road. Well, guys, we finally made it, and there he is.
What's up, fellas?
He's back.
Long time.
Yeah. So this is MTV Cribs. You want to give the grand tour?
Welcome to the crib. We'll show you around.
First of all, he's got like 20 pets. The cows are not his.
What?
I don't know.
What? Are we starting in the house then?
Do they all have names?
You'd have to ask the girlfriend that one. I know some do.
No, one likes to take a special nap. It doesn't sleep in the roost with all the other ones, right?
Nah, there's two of them. They sleep on the pumpkin of the dually.
So they sleep under there.
Yep.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, Callie. Want a treat? Come on.
Nice. Come on. So finally made it inside. You want to get the grand tour. This is the living room and the kitchen.
Got the dining room area. Okay, everything's a mess. It's right after the holidays here, so give me a break on that.
Gonna eat some bullets.
Yeah.
So you're ready to chow down there.
That's right.
What's your dog's name?
Callie.
Bedroom up there, I guess.
Yep, main bedroom's upstairs. Living room.
Sure, a lot of people will appreciate the wall decor.
Oh yeah.
You shot all them?
All three. Far one, I was probably 14 years old. Now it's 2021. Now it's 2022s. Both of these I got here, the new house.
That's a big reason why you came out here, right?
Oh yeah.
You wanted
bunch
land.
of land, bunch of room to hunt, ride, away from close neighbors.
And that's where you do all your cooking, right?
Yep.
Oh, you want me to feed them?
Best friends, no. Our favorite cat treats: lobster and mac and cheese.
What's her name?
Cream.
Of course it's lobster, that's expensive.
Cream. Back there, just 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. Nothing special. I don't even got beds in there. Why? No, 2 people living here.
This is everybody's favorite room.
Hold on.
Why?
Dog took a dookie. Come on, Callie.
A few moments later.
All right, take 2 after custodial duties.
Yep. Here's the, I don't know what you want to call it.
The
Main attraction of the house.
the den.
Yeah,
This is where all the shindigs take place.
that's right.
I never thought I'd see one of these down here. I guess he actually does clean it up a little bit.
Yeah, here and there.
All right, I'll take a Miller Lite draft, please.
Out of CO2 at the moment, but we do got a keg underneath here.
Yeah.
Bring them around.
Oh, yeah.
It's the real deal under there.
A Bush collection. Probably missing a few, but all the new ones are there. Sure, everybody will ask, any pets in here?
We had fish until last year, then the electric went out from the big snowstorm, and they all died because the heater went out, and it's been sitting since. It's just a swamp at the moment.
You should make a bet with somebody to try to drink some of that swamp water.
I could probably make it happen.
I'll be here to record that.
Yeah, we got another bathroom, laundry room, storage room, and this is another bedroom, but they got the bedroom at the time.
How you feel?
Of course, they need water.
How you feel about that?
Always something. I would open that up for you guys, but this video will probably get demonetized or something over it.
Yeah, YouTube flagging me for sensitive content.
Yep.
All right, let's go outside and show everybody what they really want to see.
All right.
Wait, you can't open this door?
I need some shoes.
No. All right, now you're ready.
Yeah.
Something that he's got before me makes me a little jealous.
Got stuff everywhere. I got shelves. I didn't put them up yet because it got cold.
There she is. A lot of you guys were missing that rig.
Oh yeah.
And there's the new toy. Maybe we'll do a video on that.
Can-Am XMR 1000. Outlander.
Is it fun?
Oh yeah. For a 1,000-pound quad, it moves.
So that's enough for in here. Maybe we'll fire up the truck here in the next video because I'll be here filming several videos. So stay tuned for the next video. We'll fire up the truck and the quad. Oh yeah, and the other new rig.
F-150, baby.
That's not diesel, that's not suited for you.
It's a Ford.
But you stole it from Paulie D.
I did.
You gave him the old junk Merc back and took his new truck.
I did a good swap on my end of the deal.
And it's nice having the shop right next to the house. You don't got to go too far to get in there.
Yep. Got told the guy built the garage, got the garage put in, and he sold the house as soon as he got the garage done.
Well, worked out in your favor then, I guess.
There was a lift in it, but he ended up taking the lift out, and he's like, oh, I didn't know you wanted it, so I took it out. So.
I would have been here all the time using that.
Yeah, but I know I wouldn't have been able to get my white truck in there with the lift in it. But
Too tall.
definitely would have been handy to have it. The lift was too narrow to get the truck in there with it.
Can't forget Big Chungus. Been a while since we saw her. We do a cold start on that later.
Got the keys.
Oh, You guys are gonna have to stay tuned for the next video.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
Probably. Oh man,
She's
it's
gonna
probably been 6 to 8 weeks.
chugging like a locomotive here soon.
Yep. How'd he do, neighbor?
Hey, go make him subscribe. Does he even know what YouTube is?
He watches the Wit Takers. If you know, you know, the hillbilly inbred YouTube channel guys. Yeah.
All right, let's take a walk to the backyard.
It's gonna be nice and swampy.
Fire pit. There's the other house.
That's 1 out of 2 of the chicken coops.
Where's the other one?
I end up splitting the shed up there in half. I wouldn't even walk up there.
I don't plan on it. Hiking up this hill's enough exercise as it is.
Yep. Right side of it, the door's open. It's the other part of the chicken coop. It's temporary.
Glad this camera's got zoom, so I'm gonna walk over there.
Also in the middle of clearing out the middle tree line there. That's why there's a 20-foot pallet brush.
You're gonna have a big bonfire.
That's right.
You need to have a fire that's bigger than that pit down there.
Yeah.
Where are you gonna have that at?
Right there.
Well, don't catch the trees on fire that are still standing.
Cutting them all down, baby.
My name's Nathan Kem, and this is MTV Cribs. I feel like I'm gonna slip walking down this hill. I don't got any tread on these loaders.
Got a little bit more than my old shoes. The old Roshis.
I should have brought my sled. I would have ended up all the way over there, across the street.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Well, guys, actually, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Kind of all over the place.
Yeah, just a quick walk through.
Yeah,
Show you guys the new crib.
Yeah, we didn't really have a plan for this video, but since this is the first time out here, we just wanted to show you guys the place, do a broad overview, and give you the rundown, show all the furry pets and
That's right.
whatnot, show you the shop, the house. But I know the main reason why you guys are watching these videos is because of his trucks here. So in the next one, we'll be firing them up, talking about them a little bit, going over the details about them, where they've been, what's up with them, because this thing hasn't moved in a while.
Yeah, probably since about April.
Yeah,
April, May.
Right when you got it back.
Yeah,
it
drove it for about 3 weeks and then blew a brake line.
Yeah.
Got caught up with some other stuff and
There she's been sitting.
just been sitting. Being a turkey or a chicken roost bar.
Yeah, I mean, at least it's being put to use a little bit. At least the chickens are enjoying it. But we'll be firing that up here soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're new, hope you enjoy the video. And be sure to come back and check us out. We got a bunch of cool videos in the works. If you guys got any video suggestions, be sure to leave them down below. We're always looking for new video ideas, right?
That's right.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one here. Always accelerate and don't look back. See you next time.